They're going to take off here on foot.
Air 2, I still got them. They're southbound, like you said, running now into the tree blot. They are walking, sort of jogging with bags in their hands. And they know we're here.
Okay, man, I'm at the... What, Air 2, do you have them?
Air 2, still got them. I don't have you yet. Oh, I see you. Yeah, you're further west. They're now bending it north towards the fence line on the south side of the building. You're about 30 meters away from them if you go directly east.
Underneath where the workers, they're still underneath little...
They're directly underneath you. I think it's a level parking lot or something. They're below you. All running now eastbound in the woods.
Canines deployed.
And Air 2, numerous officers are out. Canines out. I believe 2 are in custody. 1 is still running eastbound.
He's giving up.
Also giving up. We're in custody. I'll need them to confirm.
Yeah, Roger. Everything's fine.
10-4, all 4 in custody at 1632.
Nice work, boys.